ISO explained in 90 seconds. ISO, the acronym for International Standards Organization, which makes no sense for us, so we just call it ISO, or ISO for short. ISO is one of the 3 most important tools that you need to learn about your camera to up your photography game. Now, every camera has different levels of ISO, ranging anywhere from 100 all the way up to 400,000 in some cases. ISO is going to make your image brighter at the cost of adding a little bit of digital noise, which we don't really like. This digital noise is actually a byproduct of the electric current that's needed for your sensor to become more sensitive to light. Because of that, we want to keep our ISO as low as we possibly can. Unless, of course, it's a stylistic thing that you really want to do. For example, here's an image at a lower ISO. Now, by adjusting only my ISO, you'll begin to see the image get brighter, but you're also going to see that noise that we talked about before. My advice would be to just take your camera, pop it into manual mode, and go outside and play. Just take as many pictures as you can in low ISO and crank it all the way up to high ISO. Then make sure you take your images and put them on a computer and blow them up. Because if you're just looking at the images on the back of the camera, you're not really going to be able to see the amount of noise that is being created. So make sure that you're looking at it in post. And that is ISO in 90 seconds. My name is Andrew Russell. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you want to check out my other 90-second videos, here they are. We'll see you on the next one.